I have a Goodman GVMC95 unit that has a status code of F7. It is not in the manual. The AC unit is cycling off and on instantly every 15 seconds. This furnace/condenser, 14 SEER, was just installed around 45 days ago. What is the problem?
Hello there. I'm Norman, but you can call me Norm. Let's see what I can do to get you some answers today. I'm ready to get started whenever you are. Can you tell me the model number of the outdoor condenser? Also, where are you seeing the F7 error, on the thermostat? Is it an SSX14? The symptoms you describe sound like the low or high pressure switch. However, an F7 fault code on the comfort alert module means an open run winding on the compressor. Either way, having a new system, the installing company must be contacted immediately. I would not recommend trying to solve the problem, as the installing company can void the warranty for tampering with the unit. I am standing by when you get a chance to reply.
Sorry, my computer locked up when I was trying to reply earlier. I am on another computer right now. The model of the condenser is a SSX140481. The code is flashing as a F then a 7 inside the furnace unit.
I'm doing some research to try to locate this code you speak of. And you are seeing this on the furnace control board?
Yes. The furnace control board.
I'm sorry for having to ask this, but are you sure the model number of the furnace is GVMC95? That furnace has a diagnostic LED on it that flashes during faults. On the bottom left corner of the control board. Full-size image.
The model number is XXXXX. Sorry for the original typo.
That is a schematic look at the control board in the GVMC95 furnace. There isn't even a display shown on it. Yes, that's right. I have all the guides and I see where there being a display on the board. Does the picture above look like your board?
I will check right now. Hold please.
10-4.
The circuit board that has the flashing code does not resemble the above picture. It has a segment-style device that flashes a code, not a single LED flashing a code. Do you want the part number of the board?
Sure.
The model number is XXXXXGMBC9511555D. I didn't see a sticker that states part number, but, on the board, it says 59 to 4715 Reverend G ANSI Z21.20 Automatic Ignition System.
I am finding some more info. A minute more, please. Are you sure it's an F7 and not an E7?
Absolutely an F7. After powering up, it states and then goes to F7. Hold on. It is a two-segment device. The right segment flashes a 7, then the right segment flashes a F. I don't think it is a F7 code, I think it is two separate codes. F and 7 separately. Does that make sense? There is also two small LEDs on the same board closer to the top left. The left LED flashes green every 2 to 3 seconds apart.
Okay, yes. F stands for continuous fan.
That would be correct. Because it is running on continuous right now, not on auto.
7 stands for 700 CFM.
What does that mean?
Is it a 2-ton system?
4-ton system.
Okay, these codes are normal codes and not having anything to do with your condenser problems.
Okay. So the furnace is operating correctly. So, it is the condenser.
It sounds like your condenser has an undercharge of refrigerant, an overcharge, or there is a loose wire somewhere. Yes, the furnace is fine. I would call the installing company immediately, as a low charge can damage the system over time.
I was informed that the unit should have been factory prepared with refrigerant since the coil run is less than 15 feet.
Plus it's still under warranty. It comes with enough for a 25 feet line set, but the operating levels must be checked. If there was a leak in the system, it may have leaked out over 45 days.
With the condenser cycle like that, if under refrigerant, meaning the outside unit runs for 15 seconds, stops, then half a second later kicks back on.
Yes.
Oh. Is it common for a leak like that to occur in a brand new unit?
If the installing company causes it, yes. Did they pull a vacuum on the system when they installed it? And pressure test? Keep in mind it could be something else, but this sounds like a charge issue. It could also be overcharged.
Okay. Since the unit was operating this way most of the day, is the condenser going to be damaged?
No, the unit has safeties in it to protect it, that's why it shuts down. You should be okay, just turn it off until they get back to look at it.
Okay. This sounds pretty minor then, would you agree? Meaning, it could be just a free-on charge issue.
Again, I'm speaking from experience, not saying that it's positively that. Your complaint fits with a refrigerant safety device.
Have you ever seen a unit cycle that way?
If it's low, they need to find the leak. If it's over, they can back out some charge. Yes, both are minor unless it is a leak and it's in a coil or a factory component. Yes. What you explain is common of a low pressure switch.
Low pressure as in freon being low. Sorry for asking so many questions.
Yes, sir. No problem, I'm here to answer all of them.
Okay, I will wait until the service repairman gets here tomorrow. Thanks for letting me know what those codes meant.
No problem at all. I thank you for working with me tonight. Please consider rating my service if your answer request is complete so that I receive credit for helping you tonight. And you have a great night.
This is the first time I use this service. If I select the rating, does that mean I can no longer ask for additional assistance later?
If you choose a rating, it will give me credit for helping you with this particular question. If you should have follow-up question that relate to this request, simply return and type a response. I will make sure the question is open for correspondence.
Thanks again for your patience and assistance. Good night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.